Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel, Two Brothers Outdoors. Tim's hooking up a log right there to go on the mill. We got one more right there, and then I don't know whether we'll choose this one or one of these three, but we're about to wrap this order up tonight. We are in production mode tonight. We want to finish this order up and get it going. We got one log on the log arch ready to go on the mill. We got one log on the mill, and like I said, we're picking this one up right here to get it on.
We're in production so much I'm not filming tonight.
He's filming. All right guys, during this video we are going to have a major failure on the mill. It shocked us both, and I'm sure you'll be shocked when you see it. By the time you see this video, I'm sure we will have it fixed.
got a cock off of here. We still got camp for 6x6 on track, but it's gonna make this other switch, like a 2x. It's gonna make it a 2x6 while he's trying to 6x6. Go 2 birds, 1 stone, folks. It's magic.
One more 6x6 to go.
He texts you and tell you he's coming back. Alligator's racing hell, tell you back?
Yeah, they're back. She's showing them where your guns and stuff are.
Oh.
That's why she's raising hell. She's like, hey, in here, look.
Wait a minute, you can't say that G word.
Yeah, you can.
That's the head of that out.
All right, I'll move it. Go ahead and get off of it.
You gotta swoop. You gotta swoop.
We really got into a fast production rhythm tonight. We're knocking these beams out. We're on the last beam, and this is where things go south. Watch the shroud on the left side. Okay, let's run that back on a slow-mo instant replay. Watch the shroud on the left and the sparks. Did you catch that? It literally looked like it exploded underneath that shroud.
What'd you do, break a blade?
I think so.
You did.
Break or broke?
Yeah, it broke. The other wheel was turning like crazy. It's broke.
I don't think it broke.
All right, folks. We got to do some maintenance tomorrow night. We only got one.
All right, guys. Well, we thought we broke a blade. We didn't. I looked at bearings. I'm like, I just replaced this bearing. And this bearing appears to be okay. And I look down here. Well, the wheel's kind of crooked. And if you look down there, we broke the shaft. That's an 1.5 inch shaft. I have no idea how that broke, but it certainly broke. We're going to have to finish this up on Tim's mill tomorrow night, and then this order will be done. I'll get a hold of John tomorrow at Hudson, and have them send me a shaft.
There's where she broke, right here. Turn your light on, you can see it. See it right there? See it right there?
Yep.
There's where she broke, right?
Broke
right there.
I see it. Broke right in the middle of the wheel.
Right there, yep.
A quick call to John and Hudson the next morning. Got a new shaft on the way, under warranty. Hopefully to be here by Saturday. We're going to call it quits for tonight. We'll put this on Tim's mill tomorrow night and finish it up.
All right, subscribe, thumbs up, notifications bell. We will see you later.
We'll finish this up on Tim's mill tomorrow night. I will contact John tomorrow at Hudson, and I'm sure they'll send us a shaft. All right, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to our channel. A broken shaft is worth a thumbs up. Come on. And until the next one, we'll catch you later.